In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw Gann Box on TradingView. Before we begin, make sure you're on the chart where you want to work. The Gann Box is a visual tool that helps you study the relationship between price and time, and it sits right on your TradingView chart. To get started, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the main toolbar. That's where all your drawing tools live. Find and click the Gann Box tool. Depending on your layout, it may be grouped with other Gann or geometric tools. So if you see a small arrow on an icon, hover or click to expand the group until you spot the Gann Box. With the tool selected, move your mouse onto the chart. You'll place the box with 2 clicks. Your first click sets the starting point, or the anchor. Pick a meaningful spot on your chart, perhaps a swing low, a swing high, or any point that you want to use as your reference. Click once to drop that first point. Now move your cursor to where you want the opposite corner of the box to be and click again. With that second click, TradingView will draw the Gann Box for you, laying it across both time and price so you can visualize how the market moved from your starting area. Once the box appears, you can refine its placement. Click and drag from inside the box to move it around the chart until it lines up exactly where you want it. If your cursor seems to snap to candle highs or lows, that's normal behavior if magnet snapping is active. It helps you align with precision. For finer control, zoom in on the chart so you can see the candles more clearly, then drag again to nudge the box into place. You can also pan the chart by clicking and dragging on an empty area outside the drawing if you need room to position it just right. Take a moment to make sure the box covers the price and time window you intended. Aligning it cleanly with key chart levels or notable turning points will make your analysis clearer. The goal here is simply to get the box on the chart and positioned correctly so you can start reading those proportions and zones at a glance. And that's it. You click the Gann Box tool, set your first and end points with 2 simple clicks, and then drag the box to align it precisely. You're ready to use it in your analysis. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, go ahead and try it on your own chart right now.